I actually loved to do art and design when I was school time. In my time, like 20 years ago, it's not favored in doing art because, the very traditional families that always thought being an artist, we're not going to find any money in the future. So actually, with their traditional thought, only accounting can be the one that who earn a lot of money. So they forced me to go study for account. But I don't want. It's not my passion, so one thing. Second thing, I think it's wasting money if I go something that I don't like. I'm not going to pass my subject and I don't graduate from that subject as well. So I study interior designers, and then after that I come out to work with someone, then firm up my firm after the practice in the company. So in Malaysia, especially in KL, there is a lot of old buildings with all those like raw materials, which is where later you can see at the house, the ventilation block, the unfinished brick wall, the cement floorings, like to explore, beautify it, to modern it, and slowly throughout the environments, all those things, I find it to live in minimalist is very important. Less always more. Malaysia house always have the issue with lighting and also the ventilation floor. So in this house, we actually create a lot of light coming to the house so that in the daytime, we don't turn on so many lights. And also the ventilations, the close ventilations at the house is very important. As you see, also this house is actually open concept. Why we do open concept is always, I believe that the house member have to be connecting. Not only the house be connecting itself, we're using the space to connect everybody. So when you are in dining, you are in living, but you are in the same place. So to me, the more challenging is the understanding from the clients. So I always tell my clients, look at my past project. If you really love what we do, then we will work together to create a place that you want. Because in design, there is no right or wrong. There is only you can choose someone that you can believe them, to trust them, this person that can help me to build what I want. So I always let my clients know, okay, this is my style. My advice to the younger designer is, don't be afraid that getting rejected. Because getting rejected is something that you can see a bigger pictures, or you can open your mind to think more about the creativity. I'm Steph Low. This is Joy Through Your Living Space.